Hi guys. I just wanted to help explain something a little bit better for everybody when it comes to using our group's affiliation or any of our group's affiliated links. In order for them to work when you go to shop, there's a couple things you can do to do it. The easiest is to just go here to our group files, click on that, go through the files, and you will find the one that says group links. This is an updated, I do my best to keep it always updated. Right now, the big deals are only good until tomorrow. So anyway, so you see in pink, it tells you what it's for. So example, $20 off Cricut Maker, valid until July 24th. You would click on the blue underlined link below. So when you click on it, it may take you a few moments and it takes you over to shop, the Cricut shop. And here is for the maker deal. But while you're here, if you decide you need paper, you do not need to go back and find another link. You just go to whatever it is you want to look at on this site. As long as you don't leave this site, anything you purchase once you get here through our links counts. When you go through and make your purchase and there's a spot there to play, I'll show you, even though there's stuff in my cart right now, but I'll show you as if I'm checking out. Okay, so you gotta give it a minute, only because I've got so much going on, I think. Okay, so some of my products are not in stock right now, which is fine because I'm not purchasing right now. So we will remove that and just move it to my wish list so I can make this purchase for you, or act as if I'm making a purchase for you. It does exist. Proceed to checkout. Oh, believe me, this was not my first order. My order I did last week, I sort of went a little crazy, and it was 4 digits. Okay, so this is where we are. This, where it says payment method, discount codes, this is where you would put in AuntDi. This is only helping you out because it gives you 10% off and free shipping. It does nothing for the affiliation. In order for helping the group out with the affiliation, you need to click that link. You can also, when I post, let me search for my name. You can do it that way. You can just search for me. Let's see, even Happy Crafters here. Here's our affiliated link to Happy Crafters. You can either click on the blue underlined or just click the picture. No, don't just click the picture. Sorry. In this case, you have to click the blue underline. And it's going to take me to Happy Crafters. And now anything I order right now will count. Okay? I'll show you again by taking you to a Cricut one. There's a Cricut one. As you see, there is no blue underline up here. This is the link in this case. If, like you've seen in this one, there's the underline word or the blue. Sorry, it's not underlined until I put my cursor there. That's the link. In this case, it's just the picture. You just put your cursor anywhere on it, click it, and it takes you to where you want to go. For those that don't fully know, these are affiliated links, which means every time you do make a purchase, the company gives me a very small commission as a thank you. You do not pay for that commission. It's from the company, not from you at all. I then pay it forward by using this small commission to purchase products for the giveaways that I have had. And I also use it to purchase shipping if there's shipping involved. That's my thank you to you guys for supporting me and the group with these links. So if you have any questions, just comment below. I hope this helps to clarify it a bit better for everybody. So yeah, anyways, guys, happy crafting.